Slow speed cards may interrupt recording V30. Okay, I missed that. Hey, over here. Over here. So the memory card ran out of data last time, so I got another memory card. I'm back at the same spot. That's where you looking? That's where the I was when the memory card ran out, down there at the gate. And we are going to head and do the rest of this. But I figured it would be nice to do it around evening time, twilight. Also, I've got you mounted on the handlebars, so that's what's happening. Let's go. This is a rock house over here, I think. Remember that. We're going to talk about it in a minute. We may have already talked about that cabin. That's a nice one. That's a nice one too. So right there's the outhouse. Right next to it is the only thing I have found in here. Let's see if we can see it. I know, let's just go down there. We'll be quick. Because I gotta go back to camp and play some bocce ball. Overland bocce ball has different rules than regular bocce ball. So that's everything. That is everything here about Birch Creek Ranch, period. Not much. Woo. Whoa, yeah. Long way to camp. This is narrow. My truck will fit through it, but somebody's didn't. Arrows over there. There's the sunset. Up here you see where it's darker, the rock face there? That is kind of a grotto. I will have video of that on my other channel. Oh, hey, Jude, look, two crows just flew right out of there. There's lots of birds up there when I went. This area over here, you see how it's all kind of blasted out? I think that's what they used to make that house over there. Because you'll notice there's nothing underneath it. It's kind of a neat little stage looking area. I went over there a while ago and saw the biggest garter snake of my life. It was like 2 feet long. Oh, and DJ and Beak have climbed up there, not me. All right, back to camp and some bocce ball. sun's down. Let's go. There you go. Tour complete.